Hello customers, I'm Jason, technical support of Dachi Mobile Skin Protector cutting machine. Sometimes encounter thing. Everything has created, but no reach out. Like this kind of situation, we need to check optical path. Let's what we learn today how to adjust optical path. First, we need to prepare a double set adhesive. Open software and put out any template. No matter if it has laser or not. When it ends, we click Free from software. Then you can free to move the laser head to everywhere, like this. Of course, we also have another way to control the laser head. Close the machine and apply the power wire. Then open the cover. We can see mainboard here. Now unplug the wide wire and this narrow wire. In order to distinguish these mirrors, we call them first mirror, second mirror, and third mirror. Now we will overlap 3 layers tape. And cover on second mirror. Moving the laser head to left top and press test button. It will shoot a spot. Then move the button and test again. We can see the end in the same place. A left side of machine has a rectangular cover. Adjust optical path by these 3 screws. Test second mirror, need adjust first mirror. Turn a little one time and test again. We adjust more until to same place. It's a tidier process. Look, it's right now. Now it touched third mirror. Moving the laser head to left side and right side. Look, they aren't in the same place. So we need to adjust second mirror. Test third mirror, need to adjust second mirror. The same way as first time. Now we have last step. Test laser head. We can use one layer tip and stick under the laser head. If the hole not in the center of the circle, we need to adjust these 3 small screws on the laser head. Now it's okay. We can try to cut some other templates. Look, it's cutting well.